Put your name right here. And then I want you to get a yellow. And what is this big thing right here?
Sun.
The sun. So let's write the sun and put an arrow going to it. And let's make it yellow. So there's that sunlight. Okay, so there's our sun. Now, here is the moon phases. Look. This is what we're about to draw. Okay? So when it's looking directly at it, and it's in front of the sun, we get a new moon. We don't see anything. Then we get what's called a waxing crescent moon, where we see part of it. Then a 3/4 half moon. Then a waxing gibbous moon. Then a full moon, where we see all of it. And then a waxing gibbous moon, a 1/4 moon, and a waxing crescent moon. So we're going to draw that. So the first one is the new moon. Can we see any of it with the new moon?
No.
No. The dark side is facing the earth. The bright side is facing the sun, so we can't see it. So it's all black because we can't see it. The dark side is facing us, so it looks all black, even though this other side is not. But to us, it looks black. So that's why we're doing this all black. That's called a new moon. Called a new moon. And then over here, then we can see part of it. We can kind of start seeing some of it. So we're going to go like this. This is called a crescent. And we're going to just color in. Most of it's black. We can just see a little crescent is what that's called. So draw the line. And make it just where we can see just a little bit. Erase it. Erase it with your big eraser. No, the crescent moon is on this side, but you color in the big part. Honey, we haven't done the rest of them yet. Erase it. Only this little bitty part can I see. Now the next time we're going to see half of it. So draw a line down the middle. And you make sure you color the right side, this side. This part we can't see. But this part we can. That's called the waxing half moon, or waning half moon. This is a waning crescent. All right, now on this side, we're going to make the crescent, but we can see most of it. So we're going to color in the crescent part because that's the part we can't see. That's called the waning gibbous. Make sure you color the right sides. Now a full moon, we can see the whole thing. So none of it's black. None of it's black. But then after that, some of it starts going away. So again, we draw a crescent. And just the crescent we can't see. We can see most of it. Just a little bit we can't see. Melissa, do you need a new one? Hey, come here. Which one do you think we're going to color in, the left or the right? The left, because down here we did the right. So this is the waxing half moon. The one down the bottom was the waning half moon. Mm-hmm. Yep. We're going to already know it. Now this time we get to see the moon, the crescent again, but it's on the opposite side. So make sure you draw it, but you color in the big part. Because we'll only see a little bit. This is called the waxing crescent. So as we go around, we start seeing parts on the left side. Then after we get to the full moon, we only see things on the right side. So I'll leave that up for a little bit so you can finish it.